After so long away from you, lost in the paths we chose, hearts grew cold and distant, forgetting what we once knew. The doors of worship were closed, your house left behind, but even in the silence, your voice kept calling our lives. If we humble ourselves before you and seek your face again, you are faithful to hear us and restore us in the end. Repentance and restoration is the way back to your heart. When we choose to surrender, your grace makes a new start. You cleanse what has been lost, restore what's been broken apart. Repentance and restoration is where new life can start. Like the days of Hezekiah, when the altar was restored, the people turned to worship and lifted up the Lord. Yet still there were some hearts that refused to hear your call. But even in rejection, your mercy stood through it all. Even when until a broken heart decides to follow the path. Repentance and restoration is the way back to your heart. When we choose to surrender, your grace makes a new start. You cleanse what has been lost, restore what's been broken apart. Repentance and restoration is where new life can start. We return to you, Lord, with all that we are. Break every pride within us, heal every scar, purify your people, restore the altar again. We want your presence more than anything. Repentance and restoration. Today we choose to return. Your grace is reaching for us and calling us to learn. You make all things new. You heal the deepest part. Repentance and restoration brings us back Ooh.